As noted in the McKinsey report of 2022, the metaverse is becoming a big business, which has become a prime target for fashion brands. To my knowledge, there are currently no studies that closely investigate the impact of deepfake, robotics, and animation on the female body aesthetic in the fashion industry, and how this also impacts on societal body aesthetics. I do this by looking at who is creating and using deepfake, animation, and robotics, and where these technologies are currently. I believe that the result of my work can show where these three technologies could go and where they could take the female body aesthetics in the fashion industry. Ultimately, my study will show how deepfake, robotics, and animation provides yet another platform for the ingrained views on the female body.
This project investigates the technical and creative viability of using VR technology to recreate and immerse people into a historically significant urban space. The goals of the project are to test and document the challenges of recreating Sophiatown as it was in the 1950s, and to assess the learning potential of using the virtual experience of 1950s Sophiatown for students and museum patrons. Can VR offer a new way of experiencing lost heritage? Using historical images, videos, eyewitness accounts, and literature from strategic partners, such as the Trevor Huddleston Memorial Centre, the project is a window into the lived experience and heritage of Sophiatown. I'm excited about the results so far and would like to invite you to experience a little bit of the magic that was Sophiatown.
My research will be on improving the real-time age estimation model. Over the years, age estimation has shown a promising result when applied in real-world scenarios such as security alerts, digital signage, access control monitoring, and enhanced human-computer interaction, which can be extended to our voting system. At the end of my PhD, a novel algorithm that would automatically augment images to balance the age groups with fewer images than age groups with a higher number of images will be designed using GAN.
The development of the interdisciplinary DPhil in 2021 has provided me with the perfect opportunity to continue my studies in a new and exciting collaboration between the Faculty of Science and the Faculty of Education. My project will be at the intersection of three key disciplines, namely the sciences, education, and instructional media design. The coursework of biochemistry has always been a challenge to teach and for students to learn. Therefore, by utilizing AR and VR platforms which are available at the VAST STEM Hub, which is based in the Department of Science and Technology Education and headed by Prof. Ram Narain, I will investigate the affordances of such technologies for the teaching and learning of metabolic pathways in biochemistry.
In my study, I investigate a very specific research question. Are AI and creativity contradictory terms? And if they are not, what does it imply for models and fashion designers in the fashion industry? My research centers around generative adversarial networks, abbreviated GANs. These are algorithms where two neural networks are pitted against one another to generate new synthetic instances of data that can be used as real data. So what I would do in my research is to investigate the work of philosopher Margaret Borden in order to develop my own analysis of creativity in the context of GANs. Borden argues that a creative product is one that is new, valuable, and surprising as a result of the combination, exploration, or transformation involved in producing it. Borden uses example of AI systems that fit all these criteria and argues that real creativity involves autonomy, intentionality, valuation, emotion, and consciousness. I will analyze all these elements to understand whether creativity and AI are contradictory terms. I will use examples of GANs in the context of the fashion industry to develop my position. So the question is, Are all these gains creative in any sense? And if so, how? Thank you.
I am a qualified teacher who has some teaching experience at the high school where I taught natural sciences and physical sciences. I am passionate at what I do and regard myself as an agent of change who can make a difference in addressing the crisis we have in the country within the STEM education, where we are simply not producing enough graduates in this field. I believe that more needs to be done to excite and inspire science learners at school to take up tertiary studies at university in STEM. Being a science teacher who's also an interest in ICT, I am keen to understand the role of ICT in supporting the learning of science at the school level. One of the major challenges school learners experience with science is that many science concepts are encountered as being abstract and removed from their daily experiences. Although the application of VR and AR in education is relatively new in South Africa, there is a convincing evidence from the rest of the world that this technology can play a significant role in science teaching and learning in our country. The study for my MAD will be an investigation on the use of virtual reality and augmented reality in the teaching of photoelectric effect in grade 10 physical sciences learners. I am very confident that my research will make a significant contribution to the understanding of how VR and AR may be integrated into the science classroom.
My name is Damien Tomaselli. I'm a postdoctoral student. I'm working in augmented reality comics.
Whoa.
So the question that I am now asking is how to connect story through real world spaces. I'm presenting at this year's Comic-Con Africa, September 22nd to 25th. Thank you for your time, and I hope to report to you soon with good news.
Then today I'm going to be showing you our work in progress regarding a virtual reality mining simulation developed for Oculus Quest for the Department of Mine Engineering and Surveying. Specifically this, we head straight to our blast wall, and as you see over here we can find a spray paint can that will allow us to draw and interact with the space. Here it's crucial in mining to mark the face, mark the lines, to show where to put the charges, to detonate. And as I was saying earlier regarding multiplayer mode, someone has showed up in our game. Hey, how's it going? They can join on and join our server. We even have voice chat. Hey, how's it going? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
As well as some of our other simulations include a open cast or open pit mine, as well as a gold stope or gully that users can see the inner workings of which, such as the drill bits or drill rods, and go beyond the physical of what we can see and sort of show the inner workings, and as opposed to just seeing what's only right in front of you within the mining environment.
For this project, I'll be developing an application that allows for art generation using augmented reality. The art will be minted into an NFT on a blockchain. The NFT can be traded for crypto tokens or be traded for energy produced by prosumers on a virtual marketplace that is connected to a virtual power plant. The virtual energy market will incentivize renewable energy production directly to the prosumers. The project aims to make contributions for fields that advance and speed up our migration to the metaverse holistically, specifically neural style transfer for art generation, transfer learning, NFTs, crypto payment systems, virtual power plants for renewable energy producers, and energy trading. This project aims to bridge the gap between the fun, trendy side of the fourth industrial revolution with the energy markets. A great metaverse is one that is fun, accessible, and yet still sustainable.